My people, una well done. My name na Dr. Toyin. When you dey drink ogogoro, you know how much dem talk say too much? Or you know wetin dem dey even call alcohol unit? Make I tell you today, I go break am down for you make you understand. You see, alcohol unit na one calculation when dem dey do like this. Make dem see how much alcohol dey inside the drink. E no dey measure the amount of the liquid, but how much alcohol dey. E get one simple calculation when dem dey use, when dem go take the amount of liquid in mils, come multiply am by wetin dem dey call alcohol by volume or the percent. Then dem go come divide am by 1000. I know say una no like math, but may una never leave. Make I explain am well well. So if to say I take 25 mils of ogogoro when be 40%, that 25 times 40 na 1000. You go come divide am by 1000. Na 1 unit be that. Or if I come drink wine 175 mils when na 12%, that one come divide am by 1000, na 2.1 unit be that. So this unit now, why we dey even talk about am? Make I tell you. Most health people for most countries dey talk say make you no drink pass 14 units, both man, woman, per week. And that 14 unit no mean say you go drink everything at once. So now the whole week you go drink the 14 units. So you go come ask me how I go fit reduce am. Make I give you 4 things. 1, you fit reduce the amount you dey take. So instead make you take full bottle, just take half bottle. 2, the amount of alcohol inside, so you fit reduce am. So instead of 12%, come go take 6%. 3, instead make you just take 6 glass of ogogoro, make you take 4. Make you come take 1 water, 1 cook. Make you dey substitute. 4, make you dey mark these things for calendar or take note. So that by the time you dey drink like this, just see say, I don reach 14 this week, okpa, you don close shop be that. Make I tell you one other thing. Some people talk say if dem drink coffee or if you take cold shower, if you drink plenty, you no go get that feeling when you dey get. All that one na lie. The liver dey process 1 unit of alcohol per hour. The liver go do wetin e wan do. So I hope say una don understand now how dem dey calculate this alcohol unit and why that alcohol unit even dey important. If you like this video, abeg make you put that thumbs up. Make you come subscribe to my channel. You no go pay anything, e dey free. And when new video come like this, bing, you go just get alert. And na better health thing you go dey hear. Make you also share to your friends. And until next time, make sure say you smile and make you reduce your alcohol because e dey healthy. Una bye bye.